ndị ọsọ itokwa ihe na-achọ igwe unu bụ na onye ọbụla lọtawazie ọchukwu ka ofe egwu na-ekwu ịghọta Ijele speaks Udele himself ọnwụ na-egbu ụmụ bingo this thing make I put am for flight mode first. So ụmụnne Udele nwanne unu nwoke na-ekwu onye kwesị anụ Udele na-ekwu today bụ Thursday 12th March 2026. Today is March 12, 2026. This is not AI. This is not the video, another thing, old video. No. This is a brand new one. Baba, come this side, make you know, you can go mistakenly show. See the place now. All these places, they don't clear them. More now, they see what they do, people, community. So if your house, they here. If your house, they here. Come here, come out, come back and clear your home. You see person compound, see person, see grass. Now they see grass, go there finish here. Yeah, okay. What's his name? Full name?
Stanley.
Stanley. Okay. You they hear the names of the owners. See another one here. See another one. Bechinonye. Kanke ndi bo keke. You will see. Be Frank. Oh, Frank again. Onyejaka. Be Frank Onyejaka eba. My people, this is today, Thursday. I go for go Bruce okay. If you get name, see grass everywhere for people's house. People road to somebody. I see gate. See the gate. Oh, palm tree don't grow and finish. No, see the yard. We shall see. Levi Udenze. Sino brother kid in it.
Don't come back now. That one where carry walking stick. If they want open the door, tell them where they go there.
They watch them.
They go one thing there. Come.
See how we've cleared there. All of these places you see used to be pure forest. Bushes. Shall we see what we clear for there? See am. Why Junction? Ndị na-achụ aja emechi unu bịa tụrụ aja unu ebe achụpụgoro unu ndị ori. Bike dị n'ekpere ike dị dị. Ebe ike dị n'ekpere here. Chai. Bad gallop oyim nwoke. See the 98 years old man that they beheaded. Here is his house. This is your father's compound. This is your father's compound. They plant IEDs inside there, you see. You can't move here now. You can't move anywhere inside here. If not, you just step on IEDs. Watch it. Are you understanding it? You see this house? All these places, before anybody will walk across there, they will have to use a bulldozer to clear them, even inside the house. If not, you will be stepping on their IEDs. This is the type of evil these people brought in our land. We'll be bringing you more of the videos. One name can man. Is the Ribunku? Oh, yeah, one name. Oh, yeah. At least, but I did to go man, could you have an agaba, Mujaburun Koyan? Don't worry, I got the channel. Ununa, go, yeah, battle. Yeah, battle. Dinner cheese, Bunkuha. Mamonsa. Can man. I didn't say to you. Yeah, and dinner Jibunkuha. Guys, you know. One, you see it, my people. We are live in Orsu Imo, as you can see, the people. They are now back to their farms, and like I'm urging all of you that are running away, please come back come and clear your communities. Let here be lively again. The people are once again going about their businesses. As you can see, I don't want to show them marching down because there are some equipment that I wouldn't want on camera. So pass the message.